Welcome friends, I am ready with a new cue card topic. Cue card statement is speak about your favorite mode of communication, and the hints are what it is, how long you have been using it, how it is different from other modes of communications, explain why it is an effective way of communication. So you can speak about this cue card in this manner. Communication is essential part of our day-to-day life. Without communication, human beings cannot survive. Sometimes we communicate out of need, sometimes we communicate out of interest, out of love, out of care, out of relationships that we exchange with each other. As far as the modes of communications are concerned, there are plenty of modes like digital modes of communication, or the conventional or orthodox or traditional ways of communication. So out of all of the list of communication methods, I prefer especially the email, the written form of communication. However, I use it more in my professional work, in my formal communications with my family members, loved ones, or friends. I love to communicate either on phone or through WhatsApp messages. But yes, here in this cue card, I will shed light more on the emails. I love to write emails. Since the beginning of my professional career, I started my professional journey around 5 years ago in 2015. I prefer it because it is precise, it is clear, it is concrete, and once you communicated something to somebody in the written form, you cannot change, the other guy cannot change, the other guy cannot change from his or her statements or sentences. So I think this is very authentic and trustworthy mode of communication. So I think above all of the communication methods, this mode of communication is extremely important. And let me see, I didn't miss anything. Yes, why it is an effective mode of communication? Because it is appreciated at corporate level, at formal level, at academics level. When you interact with somebody who is a scholar, researcher, scientist, or any trade professional, anybody who is a seasoned professional of his craft, so they always prefer to interact or communicate through the email. So all of these reasons primarily force me to speak that email is my favorite mode of communication. So all in all, I can say the list of communication methods is long, but still email is at the top in my favorite mode of communicating with people. So thank you so much. This was my take. If you want me to speak on any of the cue card topic, you can put a comment below any of my YouTube videos. Thank you so much.